Juremy groups results into multiple categories. Let's have a look at these. Exact phrase category matches the phrase as is.
Relaxed position matches show results where words are farther apart or in a slightly different order.
Auto-completed results extend the last word of the phrase with possible ending. Stamp phrase category keeps the exact word positions, but requires only the stems of the words to match. These categories help you to get more search results and get a better overview in various contexts.
Unaccented search is like exact, but ignores accents. It is useful if you don't have access to a native keyboard layout with special characters. It only triggers if there aren't any exact, relaxed, or auto-completed matches.